Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we have an activity about numbers. I will give you the number. You will recognize the number and you will sit on your number seat. Which number you have in your hand, you have to go there, you have to search and sit on your seat. Okay? Okay, let's start the activity. Ridhima. Count your number. Search your seat. Search number 2 and sit there. Very good. Anshuman. Count the number. 8. Okay. Search your number. Search your number and sit on your seat. Where is number 8? Very good. Khushbu. Count the number.
1, 2, 3.
Find your seat. Find your number 3. Very good. Mayank. Show me your number. Count it.
1.
Search number 1. Very good. Shaina. Show me your number.
12.
Show me your number. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Search. Find your number 6. Very good. Clap. Vedant. Show me your number. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Find your number. Number 4. Very good. Clap. Anugrah. Show me your number. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Search number 5 and sit on your seat. Very good. Clap, students. Anna. Search the number 8. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Find your seat. Very good. Daksh. Search number 6. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Find your seat. Find your number. Go soon. Very good. Mudita. Find number 4. Count it.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Find your number. Sit down. Very good. Anugrah. Search number 2. Very good. Count it.
1, 2.
Find your number. Very good. Khushbu. Where is number 1? Number 1. Very good. Shaila. Where is number 3? Very good. Find number 3. Sit on your seat. Very good. Mayank. Count your number. How many? Count karo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Right.
Okay. Search number 5. Very good. Clap all.